Hi, everyone. We're so happy you are here today. My name is Leo.
And my name is Anna. On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English, slowly and simply.
That's right. So let me start with a question, Anna. What's a first word you use when someone asks, "How are you?"
Easy. I usually say, I'm fine, or I'm good.
Exactly. But you know what? English has so many more ways to talk about feelings, not just good or fine.
Oh, yes. Today, we'll help you learn simple and natural ways to talk about how you feel, whether you're happy, tired, excited, or maybe even a little sad.
Perfect. Let's start right now. So, Anna, how are you feeling today?
I'm great, thank you. The weather is sunny, so I feel happy. How about you, Leo?
Hmm, I'm good, but a little tired. I watched a long movie last night, and I went to bed late.
Ah, I see. That happens. So, right there, we said two different things. I am and I feel. We can say I am happy or I feel happy. Both are correct.
Yes, but there's a small difference. I am happy can be about your general mood, and I feel happy is more about right now, this moment.
Got it. So if I say I am a happy person, it means it's my personality. But I feel happy today means it's because of something happening now.
Exactly. Okay, let's practice. Anna, when do you feel happy?
I feel happy when I spend time with my family or when I finish all my work for the day.
Good one. I feel happy when I eat pizza. Actually, pizza makes everyone happy.
True. Okay, what is the opposite of happy?
Sad. I feel sad when it rains for many days and I can't see the sun.
I feel sad when I have to say goodbye to my friends after a trip.
That's a sad feeling, yes. But remember, it's normal to feel sad sometimes. Let's talk about feelings in the body, like tired, hungry, or thirsty.
Oh, yes. Right now, I feel thirsty. I would love some coffee.
I'm hungry. It's only 10 a.m., but I want lunch already.
That's early. When I don't sleep enough, I feel tired. My eyes feel heavy and I move slowly.
Same here. And when I eat too much pizza, I feel sleepy.
That's a food coma.
Now let's look at stronger feelings. Sometimes we feel very happy. That's called excited.
Yes, I feel excited before a holiday or before traveling. It's that happy, energetic feeling.
Right. But sometimes before something new, we can feel excited and nervous.
Oh, yes, like the first day of school. You're happy to see friends, but nervous about new teachers.
Exactly. Nervous means you feel worried or a little scared.
I feel nervous when I speak in front of many people. My hands get cold.
That's normal. When I feel nervous, I take a deep breath, in and out. It helps me relax.
That's a good trick. Okay, another strong feeling, angry.
Oh, I don't like this one. I feel angry when I'm in traffic and the cars don't move.
I feel angry when I lose my keys. I look everywhere, under the sofa, in my bag, and still nothing.
That's frustrating. When you feel angry, try to calm down. Count to 10, drink some water, or play soft music.
I'll try that next time. Let's talk about surprised. That's when something happens you didn't expect.
It can be a good surprise, like a friend visiting with cake, or a bad surprise, like a spider on the wall.
Yes, spiders are always a bad surprise for me. Speaking of spiders, I feel scared when I see one. Also, when I hear a loud noise at night.
Same. Scared is a normal feeling. It means your body is saying, be careful.
That's true. And after I feel scared, I like to relax.
Relaxed. That's a nice feeling. I feel relaxed when I drink tea on Sunday morning, or when I listen to calm music.
I feel relaxed after I take a hot shower. It's the best.
Let's name a few more feelings quickly. Bored, stressed, confused, and proud.
Okay. I feel bored when I have nothing to do. No movie, no book. But I feel proud when I finish a big project.
Yes, proud means you feel good about yourself or someone else. And confused means you don't understand something.
Like when people speak too fast in English, I feel confused.
Don't worry. We speak slowly here.
Let's talk about feelings for others. When my friend is sad, I feel sorry for them. I say, I'm sorry you're sad. Can I help you?
That's kind. And when someone is happy, I say, I'm happy for you.
Exactly. It's nice to share feelings, both good and bad.
Let's quickly review some key words.
Okay, excited, very happy about something that will happen soon. Nervous, worried or scared about something new. Relaxed, calm, no stress. Proud, happy about success or achievement. Sorry, used to say you made a mistake or to show care for someone.
Perfect summary. Now it's your turn, listeners. Today's question is simple. What made you feel happy this week?
Think about it. Maybe you drank a good cup of coffee, talked to a friend, or watched your favorite movie.
For me, I felt happy when I finished a new podcast episode.
And I felt happy when I walked in the park under the sun.
Those are great examples. Now you try. Write your answer in the comments below. I felt happy when...
We love reading your comments. It's a great way to practice English.
Exactly. Remember, all feelings are okay. The important thing is to talk about them.
Yes, so keep learning, keep feeling, and keep speaking English with us.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We're proud of you for practicing every week.
Have a wonderful day, everyone. See you next time for another real English conversation.
Bye for now.